Hey guys, and welcome to week 7 of the Invictus bodyweight training guide. Crazy to think that we're here already. That means that we finished the first phase of our workouts together, and we're going to be moving into phase 2. In all workout schemes you're doing or have done, there's always going to be a time that you need to progress to the next level because of the concept of adaptation. Now, when we talk about adaptation, typically I'm talking to you guys about metabolic adaptation. The idea that whether you're eating in caloric excess or in caloric deficit, your body will either way adapt to that range and re-regulate at it. That's important for me because knowing where you're at nutritionally and what you've been doing is a great way to figure out how much progress you're making on the back end. At the end of the day, everything that we eat manifests into us. That's an important point to note when we're trying to make progress by taking on not only this bodyweight guide, but all of these nutritional endeavors that we're looking to use to build ourselves. But looking at adaptation when it comes to progressive themes and workouts, you'll usually see this worked into bodybuilding routines or powerlifting routines. Most of those routines work on a 6, 8, or 12-week program. And within those 6, 8, or 12 weeks, you'll work on progressions on an increasing scale of difficulty until you reach a peak, and then you have to make the decision whether or not you're going to take a break and revisit it if you're in powerlifting, or change the type of workouts that you're doing for bodybuilding to keep your muscles confused and working. I hate that buzzword, but it really does make sense, and we're always just trying to continue to challenge ourselves. So with that being said, this week is all about changing things up but getting back to the basics so that we have a whole new scheme of endeavors that your body can take on and work well against. So you're going to be seeing a lot of age-old favorites from week 1 this week that we'll be able to work towards with more perfection and accuracy since we've had so many weeks of increasing skill to build back to the basics. More of the challenging aspect of reps and sets in order to change the way that we're responding to our environment. And as an aside, I would really like for you guys, if you haven't done so yet, to take a look at your nutrition, take a look at what you have been doing, and start to change things up. The intensity isn't going to be increasing quite as dramatically as it has been in the past couple of weeks, but instead you're going to be looking at many more foundational exercises that are going to set the tone for the phase 2 of the Invictus bodyweight program that we're going to be moving into. All of this will start to design your body to be something that works functionally in squats, in push movements, in pull movements, and in all of our functional ability. So be excited and take a look at your form by videoing yourself as you go through this week to make sure that you're doing everything correctly as per the videos that I will provide. If you have any questions for me on how to build into your foundational movements such as squat, bench, deadlift, and so on, even though we're still modifying at home, you can always reach out to me. And we do have a home space available if you're looking to work with some heavier weights and you're local to me. You're more than welcome, again, to reach out. I'm always looking to meet you guys in person and get to know you a little bit better and challenge you personally, physically. So with that being said, have so much fun with this week upcoming, and let me know how your recordings on nutrition are going. Send me over your form videos if you want any remote training from far away. I can give you cues and say maybe adjust this or that for better engagement. Let's set that tone for phase 2 and hit this hard together. Have so much fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.